You gotta get past that handprint.
It hurts.
You gotta get past that handprint. Someone's already been there before. No,
you can go
can't
down,
give up
Wes.
now.
Go on, Wes. He tried. Look how high that is.
You got so close.
I want to slap somebody with his hand.
Aww. Alright, we're about to cross the street. We made it! We made it! What do you say, Jess?
We made it! I didn't die!